Hi everyone, today we'll take an in-depth tour of the 2014 Range-Rover Sport HSE V6 Supercharged. Alright, let's begin. The Sport comes equipped with a remote keyless entry system. By keeping the key fob on you, you can lock and unlock the vehicle. Just find the little the pattern right here, tap it, and it'll lock the vehicle, and fold in the mirrors, and after waiting a second, grab behind the handle, and it'll unlock. It has a chorus gray exterior on ivory perforated leather interior with black accenting and aluminum trim, with the Meridian stereo and these aluminum Range-Rover sill plates. And in order to start the Sport, just get the key fob inside the vehicle, locate the dash-mounted start button, put your foot on the brake, hit the button to start. As easy as that. Alright, we'll go ahead and switch it into the accessories mode to conserve gas. It has an 8-speed automatic transmission located in this shifter. By hitting the unlock button on the back, pull it back to drive, then push it up for neutral and push it all the way up for reverse. Park is on the top, and if you click it to the left while you're in drive, you can have it sport mode and manual mode via the paddle shifters. 4-spoke steering wheel. It's unique with aluminum trim along the bottom and the controls. Range Rover badging. So here's the multimedia interface. Right there. The controls illuminate. Here's your parking sensor setup. Go to home menu. And then here's mode, audio, video, nav. It shows Conoco stations, Philips stations, Land Rover dealers. It can be in satellite as well. Here's phone, where you can pair a phone through Bluetooth. Audio, video, which is where your radio is. Mode, on. Here's your parking sensors. Setup, where you can control all the features. And home menu with your 4x4 controls. Wipers, indicators and headlights. Power tailgate. OK menu, controls for the trip computer, mode, Bluetooth and voice control, cruise control, cancel, and heated steering wheel. It does have perforated leather along here. Climate controls, auto, climate, hazard lights, seat controls, auto, and eject, climate controls, rear defroster, front defroster max, recycling, fan speed, AC max, air conditioning, auto dimming roof and mirror with 3-position garage homelink, massive panoramic sunroof controls and sunshade controls, Bluetooth speakers as well as interior illumination, sun visor with illumination and vanity mirror, adjustable power tilt telescoping steering wheel. Here's your cup holders and power outlet. Here's your TFT controls, hill descent control, low range, normal, snow, mud and ruts, sand, as well as rocks, ASL, eco mode, vehicle air suspension ride height controls, parking sensors. That is actually the parking brake. Traction control, off. Adjustable armrests, console, USB auxiliary, power outlet, and a tray, grab handle, adjustable seat belts. Go ahead and check out the exterior. Meridian stereo, 3-person seat memory, unlock and lock, door handle, all 4 windows are automatic, child lock, window locks, power folding, heated mirrors with blind spot and lane departure warning. They also are turn signal mirrors. full power driver and passenger seat with 4-way lumbar support adjustment and other controls, pedals, side vents and hood vents, heated windscreen with windshield wipers, 20-inch alloy wheels, LED accents in the xenon headlamps, fog lamps, Land Rover grille. It has a 3-liter supercharged Jaguar V8 producing 340 horsepower, headlight washers, fuel tank. Go ahead and check out the back seat. They are adjustable with storage pocket and more Meridian speakers. Rear storage pocket. They are three-stage heated, and they are ventilated and heated up in the front. Power outlet and 2 trays. Bluetooth speaker and illumination. Grab handle and coat hook. As well as your armrest tray, cup holders, and a little cubby. LED tail lights, dual exhaust, parking sensors, backup camera, 3rd brake light, as well as license plate illumination. Go ahead and open up the power tailgate. As easy as that. Seal protector. Cargo cover. Just tap this button to close it. Rear fog lights, rear wiper. I'd like to give a special thanks to Land Rover of Roaring Fork, located in Glenwood Springs, Colorado, for letting me do this video. It's a gorgeous car. Alright everyone, hope you enjoy this in-depth tour of the 2014 Range-Rover Sport. Alright, please subscribe. Bye.